Oh!
Yes!
I'm Gabriel Aloisi, founder of the Private Club Agency, and I'm lucky enough to travel to the most exclusive golf destinations around the world. I'm taking my crew on the road with me, and you're coming along too. On this show, we play the most amazing golf courses, uncover the tastiest local food and craft cocktails, and we explore the culture of each city. Welcome to Let's Play Through.
Well, we just made it to the iconic Arnold Palmer's Bay Hill Club here in Orlando, and we are steeped in tradition. But this place also has a focus on the future. They've invested millions of dollars into the short game area, which we're gonna try. I'm gonna take you into the locker room to check out some of the iconic lockers from all the PGA Tour pros and Mr. Palmer himself. We're gonna taste some of the recipes that his wife made and put on the menu here at Bay Hill. And of course, we're gonna try a Palmer tea. And then we're gonna go out to 18 and see if we can recreate some of the most spectacular shots in Bay Hill history. This is Let's Play Through from Bay Hill. All right, we're about to go into the men's locker room, and I'm gonna show you a secret that almost nobody knows about. It's really cool. You ready? Come on. Come on in. I love this place. You feel like you're stepping right into history here. What's amazing about this locker room is you actually have the PGA Tour players that share these lockers. We got Jason Day right here, Bubba Watson right here, and this is like Champions Corner. Gary Koch, Kenny Perry, Chad Campbell, Tom Kite, and of course, we've got the highlight of this locker room, 8-time winner at Bay Hill, Tiger Woods, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2008, 2009, 2012, and 2013. All right, now if you're ready, I'm gonna show you the secret that almost nobody knows about.
Oh, okay.
This, you see the name here.
Oh, stop it.
But check this out. Come here, Pat, come take a look at this, man. This is actually Mr. Palmer's locker, fully preserved the way he left it.
Number one.
Number one. Ready to take a peek inside?
It's open?
Yeah.
Unreal. Look at that.
This is legit.
This is legit his locker, exactly the way he left it. He's got his shoes
that.
there. He was a very
Gloves,
organized
balls,
gentleman.
everything.
Yeah, he's got his balls, wearing the pink
Hat.
shirt, the visor. It's like a living piece of history. It's like
Yeah.
walking into a museum. This is like the Smithsonian of golf courses in here. But cooler than that, it's unlocked and it's kept exactly the way he left it, which I think is just incredible. It's a testament to the sportsmanship of the game of golf and that people have that kind of respect for a legend. We're here at the glorious Arnold Palmer Bay Hill in Orlando, and we've got some surprises on today's show. We're gonna be recreating Arnold Palmer's famous shot where he took out a driver, hit it off the deck 230, and landed on 18 in beautiful position the last time he ever played the API. We're gonna have a lot of fun. The guys are just getting warmed up, trying to get a little loose. It's early in the morning. I'm practicing the old driver off the deck because I wanna win this thing. All right, we've made it to the 18th hole, which is the famous spot that Mr. Palmer pulled out a driver off the deck from 230 and hit the green at the last Arnold Palmer Invitational he ever played. How cool is that?
I think it's pretty awesome, and it's definitely a tough shot, and I don't know about you guys, but that's not one that I have in my bag.
Yeah, we're gonna have 6 shots each, okay? Just 2 sleeves, so bring 2 sleeves.
Okay.
Closest to the pin wins,
And,
all right?
okay, so want to elaborate? What do we win?
Yeah.
You're going to win the Arnold Palmer Invitational flag right from the tournament. I brought it here for you, one of the actual flags from the
Are
tournament.
you serious? I like that. All right, deal.
That sound good to you?
Now, since we have handicaps in play, right? I mean, technically I should get like spotted 30 feet.
What we're gonna do is Pat's only going to get 5 balls. That's the handicap.
Right. Okay.
We get 6, Pat gets 5.
I like that.
All right,
Okay.
deal?
All right.
All right,
Let's do this.
Let's try to do this.
Sweet.
All right, we're going to flip a tee to see who goes first and leads us off, and then we'll just go 1 ball, we'll rotate, okay?
I like
we'll
it.
rotate.
Okay.
Here we go.
Let's do this.
Tee coming down. Oh!
Mr. Aloisi for
I've
the
got to
first
lead
one.
off, and I haven't
number
even
2.
hardly swung a club this morning. Who's number 2? That's Pat.
Oh,
Pat's
buddy.
number 2. Here we go. First ball coming down. All right, shot 1. I actually pulled out the oldest ball in my bag. It's seen a few trees, but this is the first shot, just trying to get warmed up. See if I can get us a little tee. I don't know how Arnie's ball was. Hopefully it was teed up a little bit. Here we go. I don't know how he did this. Oh!
Oh! It's great! He made the green! He made it! He actually made it!
Dude!
Unreal!
First try! All right, Pat's got shot 1 coming up. Let's see how he does.
I'm gonna take dead aim and just hit the biggest slice I can.
Okay, let's do it.
Whoa. Uh-oh, that looks
Yeah,
wet.
that is a soggy ball, my friend.
That's wet.
More to go.
Wade, confidence level coming into shot 1 here.
Yeah, about 0.
This is no, I mean, this is, it just looks imposing just stepping up to this thing. You got water for miles on the right, so you can't miss it right. Just a little sliver to get onto the green. I don't know if this is doable. We're gonna try, we'll see. Wade, shot 1.
If we can all please remove our caps real quick. Dear Jesus, we just ask you to somehow give me a little miracle and let this ball find the green. Amen.
Oh my gosh! That's got a chance.
It's going.
Yeah! It's on the green! Whoa! Yeah!
Going on.
In your face, Pat, in your face! It only took us 1, man. It only took us 1! Yeah! Look at that thing! Look at that thing! Oh my gosh, this game's too easy.
This game's too easy. Dave, do you want to take a new game up with me? I don't know, shuffleboard or something harder.
Let's take the day off and just sip an Arnold Palmer and get out of here.
Yeah.
See ya, Pat.
I'm in.
See ya.
Looks like someone just won themselves a flag, guys.
Congratulations, man.
Woo!
Guess who didn't hit the shot the first time?
Mr. Faraday.
Shot number 2 coming for him. Let's see if he can get it inside us at least. Some redemption. Whoa! That's smoked.
Don't carry.
Oh, off the rocks and in the
Oh, that was so good.
Oh man.
rejected off the rocks, baby.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, you gonna hit another one or not? You
I mean,
one
I'm
and
good.
done?
I'm good. I mean, do you see that? I'm good.
Dude, we did it.
Look at this.
Look at this. You
Wow,
gotta see
wow,
these
wow.
shots, man.
I'm pretty pumped.
Who's
man.
who? Who's who? Who's closer?
Oh, I am the one that's up on the green that has a nice straightforward putt. And
That's
you've
almost
actually got-
Arnie's shot exactly.
Oh, you know.
Look at this thing. That's the one right there, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that dirt on there.
Yeah, that's okay, Gabe. But did you see what's over here?
He's always got to one-up me, this guy. Always
yeah.
trying to one-up me. Look at that.
Oh man.
We did it. Somehow we did it. I thought 18 balls were going in the water, but 2 of them made the green, and 6 didn't, clearly.
Whose 6 were those
Let's
that
go.
didn't make the green?
Have you walked this off? How far you got to go?
Did you see this? I'd like to see you putt that right there.
You want to see me putt that?
Yeah.
You want to see me putt that?
Yeah. With that
Ah.
nice little line.
I know, I think I would probably have to chip this actually. But I do know the green I do know the green does slope a little left or right.
Okay.
Let's see how close I can get it. That ain't bad.
That's not bad at all, man.
That's got to go though, a little bit. I can
That is
two-putt that.
not bad
That's
at
a
all. That was
two-putt.
great.
All right, let's see if I can two-putt this. If this goes in, I'm taking the flag. Ah!
Nice. It had a chance. Not really.
Par. All right, Wade, if you can two-putt this, I just three-putt from there. If you can two-putt this, you're gonna take the flag home.
So wait a minute, are you changing the rules now? It was closest to the pin, and now you're trying to change the game up a little bit?
Well, everyone knows it's close to the pin with a two-putt.
I don't think everyone knows that game.
Legends have stood here.
That's smoked. Whoa.
D green.
Yeah.
No. Ah. A little three putty putt.
Or in a shoe.
Or in a shoe.
I love being out at Bay Hill. It's just one of the most iconic courses on the PGA Tour, and just to be here and step through history, this is what golf's all about.
Oh, you know, I agree with you 100%. This is it.
This is it. It doesn't get any better than this. Wade, you earned it, man. Come get it.
Oh, I did.
This is the flag from the MasterCard Invitational.
Oh man, that's amazing. That's gonna go right in my office. Hands down. Yeah, look
Enjoy
at
it,
that
man.
bad boy. Why, thank you. It was
Well
a
done,
pleasure.
man. Well
yeah,
done.
good stuff.
Wearing Sunday red too. I love
Oh
it.
man,
How do you
beautiful.
All right, we're at the Members Lounge here at Bay Hill, and this is a really stunning piece of artwork. What's cool about this is you see the little holes. That's actually the original Hollywood sign, and Bill Mack painted this for Mr. Palmer to hang right here in the Members Lounge. How cool is that?
Hey,
Oh, look at that.
Palmer tea for everybody.
Oh, thank you. There's nothing better than finishing the day with the classic, an Arnold Palmer and Arnold Palmer's. Cheers, man. Nice shot. Nice shot.
Great day, absolutely.
Oh, I'm excited for this. We got some tasty delights coming our way.
Hi, I'm Executive Sous Chef Mike Corbani here at Arnold Palmer's Bay Hill Club and Lodge. Today we prepared two of our dishes that are on the menu. One of Mr. Palmer's favorites, he ate this quite often, chicken pot pie with a cucumber tomato salad with a little white balsamic vinaigrette and a little bit of chive on here.
That's actually, that was his wife's recipe, right? That was Winnie Palmer's recipe?
Yeah, we did this stuff for him for many, many
Yeah.
years, and you know, we still bring it on the menu in tribute to him because we never want to lose touch of
Right.
what Mr. Palmer meant to the club.
Sure.
And this is our urban crusted salmon, one of our better sellers, served over top of spinach and Parmesan cheese risotto.
Some nice olives in there,
artichoke hearts, capers, tomatoes,
Yeah.
and there's a red pepper coulis across the top as well.
Nice. That
So
looks
once
great.
again, like I say, so you're getting the best of both worlds
Yeah,
here.
right.
It's more of our creative cuisine and Mr. Palmer's
Right.
touch on the club.
Yeah, there's a lot of like comfort food. I've been to his club here at Bay Hill. I've also been to Latrobe, and that's kind of the vibe. You have biscuits and comfort
Correct.
food and pretzel breads and stuff that just makes you feel like warm and fuzzy.
You know, people ask, I want to eat what Mr. Palmer ate.
Yeah,
So this is the way to go, and the meatloaf as well.
right.
Those are probably his two best, you know, his favorite dishes that he
Sure.
had when he was here.
So what's interesting also about the club is that you're really honoring traditions, but you're also taking this club forward into the future, and you've rolled out a seasonal menu. And tell us about some of the things that you're doing.
Correct. You know, we've still, like I say, keep in touch with Mr. Palmer's roots with the simple home foods, but we've been doing a little more health conscious foods, more quinoas, stuff like that, you know, for the health conscious people.
Everybody wants to watch their waistline
Yes,
these days.
exactly. So we've been preparing more lighter menus,
Cool.
a little more fresh fruit, and like I say, seasonal menus depending on what is available at the time.
One dish on the menu you're ordering, what's it going to be, Mike?
For me, it's the pot pie.
Yeah.
All day long.
Yeah.
You can't go wrong with this dish.
Simple, delicious home cooking. Let's give it a shot.
I always like to break it open a little bit
Yep.
and let some of that steam out of there.
Yeah, there it comes.
So
Okay.
some people like to push the crust into
Sure.
it and eat it, and some people like to eat it around it.
Okay. I like this crust. It's flaky. It's thin. I feel like I just walked into my mom's kitchen. That's really good, flavorful, delicious, flaky, thin crust. The chicken is just succulent.
Well,
and
thank
that
you.
sauce is nice.
Thank you very much. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah. What's the secret to
wanna
this pot pie versus, like, you know, your run-of-the-mill pot pie?
It's made with Palmer love.
All right. Hey, there's something to be said for that, certainly. So this is one of your newer dishes. This is your salmon. Can you explain that dish to us?
It's a herb, like I say, it's our herb crusted salmon, various herbs, basil, oregano, thyme, seared on a flat top, finished in an oven on a blackening skillet, served on a bed of spinach and Parmesan risotto, sauteed capers, olive oil, artichoke hearts, and tomatoes.
Yep.
And it has kind of a European feel, and there's a red pepper coulis around it, is the red that you see.
It's got a great balance. It's, like you said, it's got a little of that acid, but that risotto is a nice kind of base for it. And I like the crust you've got on there. That's really good. What I like about this dish is you're kind of getting a lot of different mouth feels. You're getting something that's a little crusty, something that's kind of in the middle, and then you've got that nice soft, what do you call that around there?
It's a red pepper coulis.
The red pepper coulis, nice and soft. So this is a great, well-rounded dish, Mike. Thank you so much.
We understand here at the club that his legacy will always be ongoing, but we need to take it to the next level and keep it moving forward into this new century.
Well said, Mike. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for sharing your food with us.
Thank you very much.
Yep.
Glad you
Perfect.
enjoyed.
I'm going to take another bite of this. It looks so good and tastes so good. That's a winner.
Well, 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 have we here?
What do you think?
Well, that's going to wrap things up for episode 1 from Bay Hill, but we've got part 2 coming at you in just a couple of weeks, so make sure to stay tuned. We're heading to a whole lot of really cool destinations, so I hope you keep coming back here week after week. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like this video, ring the bell, all that good stuff, and please do leave a comment because we want to go someplace you'd like to see, so let us know where that would be. I'll catch you back here next week on another edition of Let's Play Through.